Mohammad Abdul Kalim hai. I am the counsel for the 21 petitioners who filed the writ petitions. Writ petition number 25738 of 2023, which is having relevancy subjected matter in this. Now the subject is which before this situation. According to the writ petitions, the Hyderabad district collector is bound and a strict in accordance with law. In this specific case has to be inquiry conducted upon the Saidabad Tehsil office and their staff entire. And that subjected matter there to intimate on behalf of my petitioners. On behalf of my petitioners, at the place where the law and order is disturbed, I observe that. As my clients and I, as law-abiding citizens, so it is my duty on behalf of my citizens to intimate the concerned officers to the spot to intimate that in this protest, in this dharna, my petitioners and as a council, there is no having any concern and relevancy for this dharna and all these illegal acts. We are waiting, we are bound for the legal acts. So we are waiting from the call, concern and competent authority, and I have the contents of this High Court order in my hands, and this copy I would like to give the concerned SHO is on duty in this jurisdiction. That is my first preference. Based on that, I called to the SHO of the Madanapet PS, and call is on recorded, and he called me on the same space, and upon that instructions I went there, and I hand over that copy of the Honorable High Court. This is the content, it is not bound upon you. This is the only relevancy matter which pertains to the concerned revenue authorities for whom you are serving here under your jurisdiction. So another thing I would like to remind you, sir, these 21 petitioners in this writ subjected matter, they have no any concern here under this dharna and protest. This is the illegal act, I intimated. But the circumstances was in such that it takes some time to understand the SHO. But later I finished my work and went out. After 2 o'clock, next date, change, 28 to 29. At night, when I from the outside came at the same spot, because at second floor my residence there. My mother is there, along with my mother stay there. When I was there and I went to sleep there. I was sleeping without removing my socks, just remove, and phone was behind mine. From the outside I hear the shoutings, filthy languages, and I came out and I saw. जब मैं देखने के बाद में पुलिस ऑफिसर्स जो है ना, दे आर तिड़तुनारू अंदर आडल्लके. I don't know in what way they want to control the situation, that is they know well. But as me as a counsel, what I was requested there to the authorities, sir, whatever the situations, you have to be control the situations in accordance with law. Due process of law you need to follow. Those who are doing offense, you have to proceed in accordance with law. But పద్ధతి ఏంటి అది మనం తెలుసుకోవాలి. ఆ పద్ధతి ప్రకారం మన మాట నోట్లకి కంట్రోల్ చేసుకోవాలి. Because the SHO is the concern, ACP is the concern, under their jurisdiction, their subordinates doing wrong, then the answer and the liability will be go to that higher officers. I requested, I was the time to that concerned police team, mind the language just also, that is my request, humbly and politely. But one of the persons, I don't know who's, పుట్టోడు ఉంటారు, ఇట్లా బాల్ ఉండదు, సివిల్ డ్రెస్ ఉంటారు, అతను మళ్ళీ SI, I don't know the names, but I can identify all them. One of the SHO. So he started snatch my mobile from my hand. My hand, he snatched the mobile and they dragged me and beaten me. All are available in my well-wishers make the videos there. And I said, requested, sir, I'm a counsel, I'm an advocate. Moreover, the surrounding ladies are there who know me, but I think I don't know most of them in that block, in that buildings. They said, intimated to that officers all, he's the advocate. Sir, advocate garu unnaru ante kuda పట్టుకొని కొట్టి నాకు డ్రాగ్ చేసి తీసుకుపోయి ఆ బండిలో ఇట్లా డంప్ చేశారు. ఐ హావ్ నథింగ్ ఐ హావ్ డిడ్. ఐ స్మైల్. ఇఫ్ యూ మేక్ మై బాడీ పీసెస్ ఐ విల్ స్మైల్ ఫర్ దట్. బట్ వాట్ ద వర్డ్ హీ యూజ్డ్, I can't repeat that because it's defaming to my judiciary systems. I have written in my complaint all that words. So I don't want to repeat that. If anyone needs, please go through that complaint. I humbly request, but don't repeat that statements and don't force me to repeat that statements.
What is your name? Is your mother?
बोलो जी.
What happened? बोलिए कैसे?
बोलो कुछ भी नहीं होता. बोलो.
नहीं बोलो भाई कैसे लेके गए?
Dragging in the vehicle where the already females उस वकील में, बड़ी वकील में, जहाँ पे वो लोग मेरे को थ्रो कर दिए, पूरा उठा के फेंक दिए, जहाँ मेरे को बहुत पेन हुआ, मैं आई कांट बेयर एट दैट टाइम. सो दिस इज द नॉट द वे, प्रॉपर वे. इफ आई एम इवन द कल्प्रिट, इफ आई एम एन अक्यूज, देयर इज सम ड्यू प्रोसेस ऑफ लॉ, दे नीड टू बी फॉलो. द अथॉरिटी इज बाउंड टू देयर, दे टेक द oath at the time of vote. They are wearing this dress, they will take the oath. So what is the, again story started from here. When the ladies inside, they said he is not belongs to our बस्ती, हमारे बस्ती का ये नहीं होता. तो from there they again dragged me and started beating the SI and another constable and started the beating and me, and in my jaws and my legs,
Chest.
and chest, and what they said, the words in Telugu language, which is already saying. ఎవరు అడ్వకేట్ అంటే ఏంట్రా, ఏం పీకిస్తారా మీ అడ్వకేట్స్, ఏం పీకిస్తారు అడ్వకేట్కి నేను చెప్పాను ఆ వర్డ్స్. జస్ట్ యూ గో టు ద కంప్లైంట్ ప్లీజ్. Justice is there. They have abused the judges. So I can't bear. This is happened. They want to provoke me by saying that words. And when they beaten me, and they along with them took SI and another one, they provoked me at their extent. And they are, at last they took me at the patrol car is there in the dark shed, where they very brutally attacked me without any injury in its stomach and chest. When I am unconscious, I asked them, sir tamaru parenti sir cheppandi. Mogudu ra, nenu mogudu, andariki advocates ki mogudu. Inka nenu cheppanu, I have written in the next words. So this is what kind of, in that patrol car, already 2 persons stood there in collision with their one driver without wearing the belt. He was driving the car, and another one beside there. I told them, I requested them, who is this officer who is defaming to the entire police department, because I am also witnessing the entire police department is not full like these persons. Honest persons are there. They are earning every month salary. They will dedicate to for social work. These kinds of officers available in this police department, Telangana police department. But few department peoples they are defaming not only their mothers, but they are defaming to other mothers also. So that the words, I am unable to sleep. Wherever I am seeing the police, this dress, these advocates, these courts, the words, wherever I am watching the mother. I can't stay outside my door, because when I am staying this face with my face, the peoples are feeling how much I am feeling that much of guilty. What kind of sin I did that? What is my value among there? Who will come to me for justice? I have no value. They defamed me and my profession. They make not only they defamed, they damaged my initial career one.